So now let's see how we can make a selection in text area inside of GIMP. So for that, first of all, I need to add in a text. So for that, I'm going to go around onto the text tool and let me just drag out a text box right here and type in, let's say for example, tutor tube right here. So let me just go around over here, type in tutor tube just like this. So let's just go around over here and select out a font right here. So let's just go around and select out something like, let's say for example, I'm going to go around and select a bit of a bold font right here. So I can just go around and type in it as well. So I'm going to go around for impact contents right here. And let me just go around and increase out the size of the font as well. So let's just go around onto 300, let's say for example, right here. And this is the font that we have right here. So now you can see that right now this is a text. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go around and select out the area that is turn this text area into a selection. In that case, what I can do is I can go around onto the layers menu right here, and then over here you can see that transparency is an option. And once you go around over here, you can see that alpha to selection is an option, meaning whatever is visible that will be selected. And as I do that, you can see that the text area is actually selected out right here. So now what you can do is, let me just go around and create out a new layer right here. The selection is still there. So what I can do is I can go around onto, let's say for example, onto tools. So I'm just going to go around over here onto other tools, like let's say for example pen tool right here, and I can simply go around and then let's say for example add in gradients. So let's say for example, if I were to go around add in gradient right here, you can see that I can add in gradients right here in the selection area right here, just like this. I can go around onto different sort of gradients right here and have a sort of a text effect right here. This is in a separate layer, as you can see right here. The original text layer is still here. So this is another layer with the gradient, as you can see right here, where I have this particular effect. So I'm going to go around over here and select like different gradients right here, just like this, and that is what you have. So let's just go around and select out this colorful gradient, and this is the effect that you have over here in the text, as you can see right here. So this is what you have, as you can see, and this is the layer beneath it right here. So let me just change around the opacity, and this is the effect that you have right here. So this is how you can go around and select the text area so that you can fill it out with different colors and like with gradients like this inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.